So yesterday we came here to Ubita and now's the morning, and today we're going to a waterfall. Apparently it's pretty cool, so let's check it out.
I'm bound to you.
We were filming in the waterfall, some cliff jump, and then it started raining, so we had to leave. And now we're going home, and I think this is the end of our day.
It's the morning! Here we are in our little home in Uvita. This is our car, all full of plants. It's cool. This is our wooden house, and let's try to find Mikkel. He's outside. Let's see where is Mikkel. I think he's outside. Yeah, he's here. He's in the jacuzzi. What are you doing, Mikkel?
Oh, are you filming? I'm
Yeah.
chilling here.
Just chilling? But we don't chill, Mikkel.
Damn, you're right.
This is my brother. Good morning, Mikkel.
Morning, Alex. So I'm in the car right now waiting for my brother, and I think today we're going on a mission to find some coconuts. A lot of coconuts, actually.
I have everything. Machete, towel.
Why do we want all those coconuts? Just because we want to take a picture.
Do you have the keys?
Yeah, I have the keys. Some coconuts here, like 10 meters away from our house. Yeah, I'm filming from here because it's raining outside. And yeah, I don't want to get this camera wet.
I think I have some of them.
We found some more coconuts. Just, yeah, there.
I think we can set a goal, Mikkel.
Yeah, what's your goal?
Our goal right now is 100 coconuts. I don't know if it's a lot or not a lot, but we're gonna try. It's not raining anymore. Full of ants. Coconuts!
Just found some more.
Big enough?
Big enough.
Let's do it. Let's count the coconuts.
We are just counting how many coconuts we have so far.
53 so far.
See if we hit 100, but I don't think so. 91 coconuts right there.
Wait. 92.
92. Almost, Alex. We almost did it.
There's 8 left.
So, it's nighttime, and we had to do something with all those coconuts.
Water, yeah.
Some coconut water here, and I'm going to take some,
Berries over there.
yeah, some berries.
Frozen bananas.
Yeah, 3 frozen bananas, and I'm going to make a smoothie. So today is our last day here in Ubita, and we're going to a waterfall. Does it have a name, Alex?
I don't think it has a name. Somebody told me it was near here. We're gonna try to find it.
Run right into rivers, flowing under mountains, can't get high. I'm onto something, turning into nothing, looking for a reason. Tell me why I'm bound to you.
We're here on the beach watching the sunset. So pretty. And this is the end of tropical vlogs because I'm coming back to Spain.
Going back to Spain. I'm staying here. Bye bye.